Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. So as you can see, market still stands around the same tops over the 55, 56 area. And we talked in previous videos that market has completed on the intraday charts the bearish pattern, that is the three drive sell. This pattern not necessarily suggests that should be major collapse and reverse of the major trend, but this pattern still suggests some pullback, some retracement. At the same time, as we also mentioned in our previous reports, despite that pretty nice rally that we see even since the February and mostly in April, it's still a long way for a Bitcoin market to change the major tendency, because market was falling so hard and so long time, and to change this major tendency, market has to move significantly higher. Even speaking about this pattern that we have here is got the triple to sell. To erase this pattern, market has to climb above 65 area. And in general, to make the first step in the breaking of the long-term bearish tendency, market has to form bullish reversal swing. For that purpose, market has to move above the previous swing down. So at least it should move above 65 even, but better it should climb above 85 even to change this tendency. So this is pretty significant, pretty long journey that market should show. Until this moment, despite that possible upward rally and very strong action, long-term tendency still will be valid. And as I said, even here on the daily chart, we still have this garden triple to sell pattern that suggests at least a drop in 30% pullback, but maybe it could be even more significant. Within the recent two sessions, right on the top, as you can see on the daily chart, we've got side-by-side bearish grabbers. This is the first grabber, this is the second one. This is weaker type of grabbers, guys, because they stand against the major tendency. So major tendency goes up, while the grabber stands against it, shows in the downward action. And both patterns suggest the taking out of these lows. They agrees with the idea of the intraday pattern. So currently we could gamble whether this will happen or not, but that's the technical factors that we have on the market. And if you have the bullish view, would like to take the long position, it would be better to wait for 2 moments, either completion of these grabbers, so it means market should drop here, or erasing of these grabbers. If market will just move higher and erase both patterns. Why I think that these grabbers are worth of our attention, guys, because we'll take a look at the 4 time frame chart. You will see that we have the garden triple to sell, and as we said, that's the point where you could think about taking short position. Not necessarily it will be collapse to the 2000 area, but a meaningful retracement here could be significant. Since this is approximately 5650 area, drop, 3 drives suggest the drop to the bottom below between the second and third drives, and that precisely the point that the daily grabbers point on. So from that standpoint, the 3 drive pattern and the grabbers that stand on the daily agrees with the target. So if you have taken the short position now, you could keep it, probably just move your stops to the break even and see what will happen next. If you have the bullish view, you need, as I said, wait for resolving of the situation with the grabbers, or at least you could keep an eye on some bullish patterns if you will get here on intraday charts. Currently we do not see something really special. Market right now stands at 30% support. It's also confidence. If you will put here the levels from this low to this top, you will see this will be also 618 support here. So it's confidence support. Some pullback here is possible. So we could see for minor patterns for taking position maybe in the intraday charts on the hourly chart here. Currently I do not see something really special, guys, but here on the hourly charts could be kind of the hand shoulders action. Market could form a kind of the ABCD form, got this triple to sell here So different patterns could be formed. But now a major time frame that we're watching for, this is daily, this is 4-hour time frame chart. We have clear patterns that suggest downward action. And it means that taking position against these patterns were very risky, it could be expensive. In our conclusion here, if you have the bullish view, wait for resolving question around these patterns. So either they should be erased by the strong upward action, or they should be completed with a drop back to the 49 area, at least to this area. That's our conclusion on Bitcoin market.